we are going to discuss about the statistical part of exercise number 14.2 and question number 2. The following data gives the information of the observed lifetime in hours of 225 electrical components. So from this table we require to find out what model lifetime of the components. So this will be solved by Mr. Bibhas Gogoi, class 10 student of RK Academy. Yes, let us enjoy this one.
Hello everyone, my name is Bibhas Gogoi. I did in class 10 at Radha Krishnan Academy, Kapukotha. Today I am going to solve a question from the exercise 14.2 of the chapter Statistics. And in this question we are asked to find the model class of the given frequency distribution table. So from this table we get F1, that is the highest frequency of the frequency distribution table, and it is 61. And secondly, F0 is the preceding frequency of the frequency distribution table, that is 52, which comes before the highest frequency. And F2 is the succeeding frequency of this frequency distribution table, which comes after the highest frequency, that is 38. Now we also need to find the length of this, that is the size of this frequency distribution table, which is upper class limit minus lower class limit, that is 20, and the lower limit of this frequency distribution table is 60. Now by applying the formula for finding the mode, we get So this is the formula for finding the mode of a frequency distribution table. So now accordingly we have to put the values from the table. So here L is 60, F1 is 61, F0 is 52, and twice F1 is 122. Then again F0 is 52 and F2 is 38. And lastly, the height of this frequency distribution table is 20. So after putting the values and solving it, we get the mode as 65.625 hours.
Okay, so let me explain about this one. F1, F0, F2, H and L. How can you get this one, and for what reason you are writing as F1, F0 or F2, H and L? So you please explain this one.
F1 is the highest frequency of this frequency distribution table.
Okay, F1 means what? Highest frequency of the frequency table. Yes, so that is 61. So this range is between 60 to 80. Yes. So 60 to 80 means what? Up to 79 minute. Yes? Okay. Next F0 means?
F0 is the preceding frequency of the frequency distribution.
Yes, preceding frequency of the distribution table. Yes, that means frequency distribution table. Good. So F2 equal to?
Succeeding frequency of the?
Yes, succeeding frequency of the frequency table. It is where? How you are getting 38? Yes, it is there. H means,
H is the height of this.
yes,
the
height
size
is what?
of this model.
Yes, 0 to 20, that means what?
20.
20. And L means what?
L is the lower limit of this highest model class.
Yes, lower limit of this one, that is what? 60. Yes, 60. Yes. And now we have to find out here, from here, what mode as per question. Yes. So formula of the mode is what? L plus F1 minus F0 whole divided by twice F1 minus F0 means F0 minus F2 into H. Yes. So now we have to put the value there. Yes. L means what here? What? That is what? 60. See there. Yes, that is 60. So put the value there. And F1 F0 means what? You just put there. Okay, it is given there. Given means we already found everything there. Yes. Now after calculating that, we got the result is what? 65.625. Yes, hours. Answer is in hours. Yes, that is your answer. So now mood is what? 65.625 hours. So do you understand this one?
Yes.
Do you understand this one?
Yes.
So you have you any question from here? So can you able to find out more? Yes?
Yes.
Thank you.